We want to integrate x over x minus 1 with respect to x. We're going to let u be x minus 1. If u is equal to x minus 1, then du dx is equal to 1. Separating the variables, we get that du is equal to dx. If u is x minus 1, it also follows that x is equal to u plus 1. U is x minus 1, so we have everything that we need to turn our integral into a u integral. The x becomes u plus 1. The x minus 1 becomes u, and the dx becomes du. We can now split the fraction into u over u plus 1 over u, and this gives us the integral of 1 plus 1 over u du. If we integrate this now, integrating 1 gives us u, and integrating 1 over u gives log u. The u is x minus 1, so we have x minus 1 plus log x minus 1 plus a constant. Since c is an arbitrary constant, the minus 1 could be absorbed into the c, so you could write the answer as x plus log x minus 1 plus a constant.